Hello children, how are you all? Welcome in your English class with your book Pebbles of Grammar Class 7 by Magic Mind from Galaxy Publications. Let's start children. Chapter number 5, Pronouns. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Noun की जगह जो word हम use करते हैं बच्चों से हम pronoun कहते हैं. Read these sentences carefully. Dhruv arrived late. He had a high fever. The teacher asked him how he was. In the above example, he and him stands for Dhruv. He और him जो है वो ध्रुव के लिए है यहाँ पर. Dhruv is the antecedent of the pronouns he and him. The noun that a pronoun stands for is called antecedent. Okay? अब हम चलते हैं kinds of pronoun की तरफ. There are various kinds of pronouns. Personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphasizing pronouns, possessive pronouns, distributive pronouns, indefinite pronouns and relative pronouns. सबसे पहले देखेंगे हम personal pronouns. Personal pronouns stands for persons or things. ये persons और things के लिए, चीज़ों के लिए होते हैं. First person, the person speaking, जैसे कि मैं बोल रही हूँ, so I am the first person. Second person, the person spoken to, मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, so second person. Third person, the person or thing spoken about. अगर मैं किसी और person की बात आपसे कर रही हूँ, so वो जो और person है वो है third person. Study the table below. It shows the various forms of personal pronoun. First, singular देखेंगे. First person, used as a subject I, used as an object me. पजेसिव फॉर्म में इसे हम माइन कहेंगे. रिफ्लेक्सिव और एम्फेसाइजिंग फॉर्म में माई सेल्फ और रिमार्क्स होगा जैसे यूज्ड फॉर बोथ मैस्कुलिन एंड फेमिनिन. तो आई जो है वो दोनों के लिए यूज होता है. फर्स्ट प्लूरल देखेंगे. वी यूज्ड एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट जब करेंगे तो हम कहेंगे इसे अस. पजेसिव फॉर्म में आर्स. रिफ्लेक्सिव और एम्फेसाइजिंग फॉर्म में ये हो जाएगा आर सेल्व्स और रिमार्क यही है कि यूज्ड फॉर बोथ मैस्कुलिन एंड फेमिनिन. सेकेंड पर्सन में सिंगुलर देखेंगे यू. ऑब्जेक्ट में भी यू. पजेसिव में योर्स. रिफ्लेक्सिव और एम्फेसाइजिंग में योरसेल्फ एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड फॉर बोथ मैस्कुलिन एंड फेमिनिन. प्लूरल में भी सब्जेक्ट यू, ऑब्जेक्ट यू, पजेसिव में योर्स, रिफ्लेक्सिव एंड एम्फेसाइजिंग फॉर्म में हो जाएगा योरसेल्व्स और मैस्कुलिन फेमिनिन दोनों के लिए यूज होता है. थर्ड पर्सन में ही, हिम. पजेसिव फॉर्म में हो जाएगा हिज. रिफ्लेक्सिव में हिमसेल्फ एंड रिमार्क्स में मैस्कुलिन के लिए हम ही का यूज करते हैं. इसी तरह से आप इन सब को खुद से स्टडी करेंगे और हम चलेंगे इंटेरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन पर. द वर्ड्स हु, whom, whose, which and what are interrogative pronouns. Who, whom, whose, which are used for people. Example, who has broken the window? Whom do you want to speak? Whose ball is this? Which of them is the culprit? और जो what और which होता है वो चीज़ों के लिए यूज होता है. are used for things like what do you want to eat? Which is your favorite food? अब reflexive and emphasizing pronoun. Both reflexive and emphasizing pronouns have the same form. Okay? Myself, himself, ourselves, herself, yourself, yourselves, itself, themselves. Reflexive pronoun are receiver of an action. वो receiver होते हैं. जैसे कि have you written the essay yourself? He blamed himself for his failure. Emphasizing pronoun convey, emphasize. जैसे कि I myself brought the message. She herself baked the cake. सो यहाँ पर बच्चों हमने कुछ एम्फेसाइज किया है अपने ही ऊपर या फिर मतलब प्रोनाउन के ऊपर. इंडेफिनिट प्रोनाउंस डू नॉट स्टैंड फॉर एनी स्पेसिफिक पर्सन और थिंग. देयर आर टू काइंड ऑफ इंडेफिनिट प्रोनाउन. ऑफ प्रोनाउंस, सम ऑफ द गेस्ट, बोथ ऑफ द ब्रदर्स, मच ऑफ द वर्क, नन ऑफ माई सिस्टर. कंपाउंड प्रोनाउन होते हैं एवरीवन, एवरीबॉडी, समबडी, एनीबडी, नथिंग, नोबडी, समथिंग, समवन. ये किसी भी स्पेसिफिक चीज़ के लिए या पर्सन के लिए यूज नहीं होते ओके, सो ये कुछ चीज़ों के लिए हम एक साथ ही इनका यूज़ करते हैं। सिंगुलर इंडेफिनिट प्रोनाउंस है somebody, something, anybody, nobody, nothing, anyone. प्लूरल इंडेफिनिट प्रोनाउंस both, few, many, several. सिंगुलर और प्लूरल इंडेफिनिट प्रोनाउंस में आता है ऑलमोस्ट, नन, एनी, सम. रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस देखेंगे, कॉमन रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस हैं हु, ओके, हुज, whom, which and that. Who, whose, whom is used for persons only. It has the same form for both singular and plural nouns. Study the following sentences. The boy who wrote the essay was awarded. So ये singular में use हुआ. The boys who made the project were awarded. ये plural में use हुआ. So same form use होती है. The principal praised those students whose performance was extraordinary. Common gender. This is the girl whom all praise. Feminine gender. Who is used when the relative pronoun is subject. जब relative pronoun subject होता है तब हम who का use करते हैं. Example, people who have no friends feel lonely. Whom is used when the relative pronoun is object. Example, people whom nobody loves feel dejected. Whose is sometimes used for non-living things. Example, Maggie had a doll whose limbs were broken. This sentence can also be written as Maggie had a doll which was in poor condition, which is used for non-living things and animals. So जो मैं बता रही हूँ आपको ध्यान में रखना है बच्चों. Example देखेंगे, the lion which had been caught is in the zoo. The horse which he was riding suddenly became wild. That is used for both persons and things. This is the lady that had bought my house. Person. Ravi has sold the car that he purchased last year. So यहाँ पर हम चीज़ की बात कर रहे हैं. Now learn more on the use of that. देखते हैं the relative pronoun that is often used to connect clauses after superlative adjectives. कैसे? Examples देखेंगे. Mount Everest is the highest peak that climbers dream of conquering. She gave the most touching speech that the audience had ever heard. So we use that after the words all, some, any, none, nothing and only. When referring to people or things, जब हम people और things को refer करें with these words, that is generally used. Example देखेंगे, all that glitters is not gold. This is the only book that I could find in the library. We use that when a sentence contains two nouns. जब एक sentence में दो noun होते हैं, one a person and the other a thing. Example, the teacher and the lesson that inspired me the most will always be remembered. The singer and the song that won the award became instantly popular. What refers to things only? Okay? Its antecedent is not stated. It actually means that which or the thing which. Example, what is done cannot be undone. यानी कि that which. Okay? इसका antecedent state नहीं किया जाता है. इसका मतलब आपको that which या फिर the thing which से ही समझना है. She found what she was looking for. The thing which. As is sometimes used as a relative pronoun. Okay, as हम कभी कभी relative pronoun की तरह use करते हैं. It is used after the word such and sometimes after the word same. Mother bought such vegetables as needed for the soup. Her handwriting is almost the same as her mother's. अब हम देखेंगे omission of the relative pronouns. Sometimes we can omit the relative pronoun who, whom, which, that when it is the object in the clause. Notice how the sentence structure changes. This is the book which I was looking for. This is the book I was looking for. So यहाँ पर which has been omitted, हटा दिया गया है. The man whom I met yesterday is a famous writer. द मैन आई मेट येस्टरडे इज अ फेमस राइटर, यहाँ पर whom omit किया गया है. She is the singer that everyone admired. She is the singer everyone admired. That has been omitted. Now position of the relative pronoun देखेंगे. A relative pronoun should be placed close to the noun. Noun के पास होना चाहिए और pronoun it refers to, या फिर pronoun के पास. If it is placed too far away, the sentence becomes confusing or absurd. जैसे कि the boy won the prize who is standing near the gate. Incorrect. Who is far from boy. The boy who is standing near the gate won the prize. This is correct. Okay. She baked a cake yesterday which was delicious for her friend's birthday. Incorrect. Now she baked a cake which was delicious for her friend's birthday yesterday. Okay. So this is correct because clearly refers to cake here. Joining sentences with relative pronouns देखेंगे. Relative pronouns can be used to join two sentences into one. Example, I met the girl, she won the painting competition. I met the girl who won the painting competition. So यहाँ पर हमने इन्हें join किया है relative pronoun के साथ. We visited a town, my uncle lives there. We visited the town where my uncle lives. Okay. Now let's practice, children. Pick out the relative pronouns and their antecedent. The time which is lost forever. So यहाँ पर relative pronoun मैंने underline किए हैं which और antecedents हैं time. Listen to what the teacher says. Relative pronoun है what और antecedents है यहाँ पर implied think. मतलब आप वो चीज़ सुने जो टीचर कहती है. I like such people as are honest. As यहाँ पर pronoun है और antecedent है people. The flowers which are in the vase are beautiful. Relative pronoun है which and antecedents flowers. Is this the lion which was brought from Africa? So यहाँ पर relative pronoun है which और antecedent है यहाँ पर lion. The cousin whom I loved has shifted to London. Pronoun है whom और antecedent है cousin. Rest of the part, children, you will complete yourself. Fill in the blanks with reflexive pronouns. I cut my finger while chopping vegetables, so I had to bandage it myself. The children enjoyed themselves at the party. You should believe in yourself if you want to succeed. He taught himself how to play the guitar. We decorated the entire hall all by ourselves. Rest of the three parts you will do yourself. Fill in the blanks with relative pronouns. So यहाँ पर हमें relative pronoun fill करने हैं. The girl whom या फिर who भी लिख सकते हैं. You are talking to is my best friend. He is the only student who solved all the questions correctly. The person who is rude is disliked. I could not hear what he said. This is the book which won the national award. The singer whose voice touched everyone's heart received a standing ovation. The disease which needs the most attention is cancer. Rest of the part you will complete yourself. Rewrite these sentences omitting the relative pronoun and putting the preposition in its proper position. So आपको relative pronoun को यहाँ से हटाना है और preposition को सही जगह पर लगाना है. So first sentence है I have seen the house in which he lives. तो यहाँ पर हम in which he lives को हटा देंगे बच्चों और हम लिखेंगे I have seen the house he lives in. The man with whom he was speaking is a robber. So whom यहाँ पर relative pronoun है, हम उसे हटाएंगे और हम sentence बनाएंगे the man he was speaking with is a robber. The student who brought laurels to the school. So यहाँ से सिर्फ हम relative pronoun हटाएंगे as it is रहेगा बाकी का sentence. The students brought laurels to the school. I cannot find the scissors with which I cut the threads. Which यहाँ पर relative pronoun को हम omit करेंगे और सेंटेंस बनेगा आई कैन नॉट फाइंड द सीजर, आई कट द थ्रेड्स विथ। ओके, सो इसी तरह से आपको ये रेस्ट सेंटेंसेस भी कंप्लीट करने हैं। Join the pairs of sentences with relative pronouns, children. So मैंने यहाँ पर आपको कट करके लिख के दिखाया है, आपने इसे complete sentence बनाना है। Like first sentence, she met a girl, the girl won the painting competition. So she met a girl who won the painting competition. So आप यहाँ से the girl हटाएंगे और इस sentence को join करेंगे। I know a man, everyone admires the man. I know a man whom everyone admires. Okay. The pen is missing. You gave me the pen. The pen, यहाँ से इसे हटाएंगे, which you gave me is missing. The boy is my neighbor. You were talking to the boy. The boy who is my neighbor is the one you were talking to. We visited a village. The village has no electricity. We visited a village which has no electricity. The player is very popular. His team won the championship. The player whose team won the championship is very popular. Okay? So इस तरह से हम इन sentences को join करेंगे. Okay? So children, this chapter ends here. I hope that you have understood it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.